4 easy steps to write a killer copy. So to write a killer copy, we need to understand 4 important things. So before I discuss about that, today I'll tell you, people think that copywriting is all about writing. Wrong. Here are the 4 steps that you need to follow if you want to write a killer copy that converts like crazy. First of all, you need to understand that what is the market, whom we are selling. First of all, what we need to understand? Our market. After that, accordingly, we need to develop a strategy that will fit our product, that how we are going to deliver our product and messages to the people, that is our market. Third, we need to develop something called Godfather offer. What? Godfather offer, that offer people cannot refuse. And finally, you will come up with the right copy, and that is killer copy. So to come with killer copy, who you need to become in the process? See, if you want to understand your market, what you need to be, you need to be a psychologist. You need to have an intimate knowledge about your prospect, in and out. You should know their hopes and desires, their pains and fears, and their obstacles, what are they facing in their daily life. The more you know, better. So what we need to understand here, that you have to have an understanding. You should know that how human beings behave, why people buy and how they buy, and what is the reason they buy. You need to understand about the psychological trigger, that what moves people and why people buy, right? The next point is we need to develop a strategy. So who you need to become in the process? You need to become a strategist. Okay. For example, how my message is going to be delivered to the market, which all medium going to use, what is the big idea? Big idea means what is the thing that will help me to get what would be my unique selling proposition. We need to develop strategy, that how everything will fit together. Alright, Facebook ad will be there, after that landing page will be there, after that email sequence will be there, after that people will be going through a follow-up sequence, after that people will buy. So we need to develop a funnel, we need to develop a strategy, that how everything will fit together. Accordingly, we have to write message. It's not like that we are going to write message without thinking of these all things. Next point is we need to develop something called Godfather offer. An offer your prospect cannot refuse. That is called Godfather offer. Means you have to become a researcher. You have to be very absolute fierce and absolute good at doing the research, because all the marketing will start from the basic thing, that is research. If you don't do the research, I am telling you, your copy will not be good. You need to research about your prospect. You need to research about the product. You need to research about your competitors. You need to research every single thing. And what you need to do, you need to have all the data before you write a copy. So you need to also understand that which language your prospect is using, which lingo they are using. So accordingly, we need to put those language in front of them, right? Next point, we need to understand, now we are coming with a killer copy. That is, now you have to be very good at wordsmith. Now you are coming with the words, that is something called power word, that move people, that arouses emotions, that triggers emotion. So here are the 4 steps that we need to follow. See, each step has different, I can make different video on each step, right? If I talk about Godfather offer, especially, see, offer, you need to think one thing. Forget about what you can deliver. First of all, think what is the wildest expectation your prospect will have and promise that. After that, come to the lower level and deliver to that level. So what I'm trying to make you understand, offer, you have to make such an offer. It has to be specific. It has to directly hit the point, pain point, and so that it has to be, so you provide so much value that it becomes no-brainer. What? It becomes no-brainer. So it will be very easy and effortlessly to write a killer copy. So copy, see, if you write weak copy, if you have a strong offer, things will work. But If you have a very weak offer and you write very strong copy, it will not work. So what we need to understand here, that there is a process if you want to come with the copy. It's not like that you are coming and writing anything in a blank Google Doc. There has to be a process to come with a killer copy, right? So that's all for today's video. This is a day 4 of 30-day challenge which I have taken, and which all video you want, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.